Hey everyone, so today we are looking at my opener collection. The purpose of this video is I got a new opener and I'm going to unbox it. So I did make a post to see if you can guess the opener correctly. So I'm going to show you the box and let's see if you're correct. There is the new opener. It is a Chamberlain C2212. Unfortunately, I haven't seen anyone get it correct on the poll. Okay, so let's unbox the opener. Okay, so I got the box open. It's a Chamberlain C2212T. Let's take a look at the accessories. Let's open this part. We got wires. We got cables and chain. We got a chain spreader. No, it's a cap, not a chain spreader. Sensor mounting brackets. The other mounting bracket for the sensor. Little doorbell style button. We got a bunch of bolts and nuts. The idler pulley, the emergency release rope, and we got a square rail carriage. I don't need that right now. We got the header bracket, or maybe a door bracket. Well, not exactly sure how to tell the difference between it. Oh, this is the header bracket because it says header right there. This is a door bracket. This is the curved arm. I don't know what this is called, but it goes at the end of the square rail and onto the motor head. That's what I know of. Let's see what we got here. There's another box. Let's take a look at it. This is the battery. Let's take the motor head out. Okay, so I got the motor head out of the box, but there are some parts I didn't show yet. So this is another remote it came with, but this is a one-button remote. This C2212 came with a one-button remote in this box, but I have a three-button remote with it as well. It's a 950 ESTD MC, manufactured in February of 2023. Here are the sensors. I love these. I love these sensors better than the bigger ones, which those are the older style ones. Here's the square rail tube, and here's the motor head, and here's the battery cover. Let's take a look at the back of the unit. This has a step saver setup. Okay, so there you go. That is the unboxing video of the Chamberlain C2212. There will be a video on this opener running as soon as I get it set up. And I'll show how to program the limits if you have a step saver garage door opener like this one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, enable the bell, and leave a comment. And have a great day.